Hello guys, welcome again, and in this tutorial I am going to share with you one other Ruble website. In this 10 website I'm going to share with you Ruble website. This all 10 is 100% paying website, and you can earn some dollars from this website. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, this one is the website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Okay, this are the all this much days running from this website. Okay, this is a very much more from one year, and you can link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Put your enter username, email and password. Click register. You can register yourself. I'm logging my account because I already have account. Just click login and you can go to I'm not a robot. Click capture and fill the capture. After capture you can login. Now I click login. Okay, just click login and you can log in your account. Okay, just wait thing. Okay, now account is login. My balance is right now is 0. Refile, I use refile for myself. I earn this much from refile link, and you click for this much hours. I didn't click anything. Okay, you can put advertisement, this much coin for this much views. This is very good if you want to earn this much. This one is for earning. Okay, and this website have a lot of way to earn. Okay, the first one, you can upgrade your account and you can buy some membership from this account. You can make much more. Okay, and you can buy from per 10 ruble, invest 10 ruble or $1 you can upgrade. Okay, just you click, you can upgrade your account. Okay, and you can exchange some currency your balance to you purchase. Okay, what is the purchase work? What does purchase work exactly? Go to shop box. You can watch the boxes. Okay, this is the monthly Ruble. The price is this much. You can buy this box, or you can buy this box, or any box of this you can buy, and after every 1 month they pay you this much. Okay, right now I have just one box from this one. Okay, you can make much more, and you can go to my box and you can claim your earning, and you can make much more if you have much more crypto. Okay, and don't believe fake websites. All website I share with you, this all is a real website. I didn't share any fake website. Okay, right now this much coins this box is earned. Just I collect and I collect my coin, and this much box I have. If I sell this all, they pay me this much coin. Okay, this is all boxes, and you can sell these boxes. Okay, and now I collect sell boxes. Okay, every one day you just come here and you can collect your boxes, and right now my balance is this much. And you can go to surfing website. You can click surfing website and surf some pages, and they pay you. This all is coins they pay you. Okay, I surf all this website, then I come back and I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, for my opinion, if this all website pay me 1 ruble. Okay, I don't know how much is this all. Okay, first I go to daily bonus. I claim my daily bonus. After that I come here and surfing my and the daily bonus is 1 coin to 50 cents coin, and just you click one advertisement, close back, and the get bonus can pop up. Okay, you click get bonus and it tells you how much coin you get from this. Okay, every day they come, you can just click. Okay, they pay me 1 coin. Okay, this is this is ridiculous. Okay, you can go to back to surfing. Okay, I surf my all this all page, and after that I come back and show you the withdrawal proof if this one pay me. Okay, if this one reach it to 100. Okay, just I go to withdraw, so I share with you my story. I withdraw from this website. Okay, this is all the withdrawal proof. The website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay, and this much coin I earned, this much for the Ruble. Okay, this is the all payment, and you can 100% sure this website pay me, but the date is very too much late, but that was good. This website pay us instantly. Okay, now I go to surfing hats, watch all advertisement, then come back. Okay guys, I didn't earn much more, but this website pay you 100%. This one is my guarantee, because this is all my withdrawal proof, and this website just watching ads, and you can earn much more. Okay, this website 100% paying. This website link in description, click the link and come here, register yourself. But please subscribe to my channel, because I always share with you 100% real website. Okay, subscribe.